Did this magically create £1 million business overnight? They failed because of bad assumptions. I had a system guiding the process, and within minutes, you get the right direction, not a random idea. So you might not realize this, but most people fail in business before they even start. It's terrible to say this, but this is the truth. Not because they are lazy, not because they lack money, but because they are guessing. So I decided to test something last week. I built a business using AI. No guesswork, no assumptions, just a data. And the results honestly surprised me. So here's what happened. I came across a tool called Copyfy last week, and what caught my attention wasn't just that it helps you build a business, but it also helps remove the biggest problem most people have, guessing. Because let's be honest, most people guess what product to sell, guess what customers want, guess what ads might work, and then they wonder why they lose money. So I wanted to test the following. What happens if you remove guessing completely and strictly stick to data? But before we go into the details of that, quick disclaimer as always, this video is for entertainment purposes only and should not be considered business or financial advice. I'm simply sharing my experience. Results will always vary depending on your own situation and your execution. Always remember that. So here's the truth. You can spend weeks researching, build a website, launch ads, and even when people find a good product, they spend 3 to 4, sometimes even 5 days to build a store. The trend has already moved on to something else. That's what happens a lot of the times. The window closes before they even open and still fail. Why? Simply because your idea wasn't validated in the first place. Most businesses don't fail because of execution. They fail because of bad assumptions. And this is where things get expensive, because every wrong decision costs time, costs money, and kills momentum completely. So instead of doing what everyone else does, I changed the approach in this instance. Now here's where Copyfy comes in. Now I'm not here to hype anything up. I'm here to show you exactly what I did. Copyfy is essentially an AI-powered system that helps you find product ideas, analyze competitors, generate content, build your store, all based on real data, not just assumptions. So you're using concrete evidence before you execute on anything, which is something that stood out to me big time. But what stood out even more to me, and this is probably where you're going to get surprised after explaining all of that, the AI chat. Copyfy AI. This isn't just a basic AI chatbot connected to something like ChatGPT. It's actually connected to a live database of product stores, ads, real-time market intelligence, as I'm demonstrating right now on my screen. So instead of spending hours or even weeks researching, you can literally ask it questions like the following, which I'm demonstrating right now as well. What products are trending right now? Let's see what happens. What ads are currently performing? What angle should I use to sell this? And it gives you detailed data-backed answers, almost like having an AI analyst specifically for e-commerce. And that completely changes how you make decisions, because now you're not guessing, you're working with live insights. So the first step is finding the right product. First thing I did was look for a product, but instead of guessing, I used Copyfy, and more specifically the AI chat, to analyze trends, look at competitors, validate demand. And as you can see, here are some of the results popping up. You can see all of these fantastic products popping up right now. And the beautiful thing is that this is all data backed, which is the way I like it. One thing about me, and if you've tuned into this channel before, is that I talk about the importance of utilizing data to make any decision that you can. The best way to run a business, from my experience, is to systemize your entire pipeline from the start. Now, it's going to cost a bit more money in the beginning, but one thing I've realized in the long run, the dividend you get from having a structured data infrastructure. This is why I'm such a big advocate for tools like Copyfy and the AI chats. There's also a tool for manual discovery options, meaning that if you want to look for products yourself, find them manually, you can as well. The discovery section lets you manually browse top trending products, winning ads, and competitor stores to filter based on your own preference. This removes the black box objection and builds trust with viewers who are skeptical of AI. And within minutes, you get the right direction, not a random idea. Data-backed opportunity, more importantly. Next step is building the store. Normally this takes hours, sometimes days, like I explained earlier, but using Copyfy, I was able to generate product descriptions, create the structure, set everything up quickly. So all I did, as I'm demonstrating right now, is first and foremost paste the product link into Copyfy Store AI, and within 60 seconds I have a full Shopify store product page written, image pulled in, copy done, everything structured and ready to edit. I didn't write a single word, I didn't design anything, it was just built. That's the moment I realized this was truly different. Again, not starting from zero, starting from leverage, the way I like it. Then came content, and this is where most people struggle. What do you say? How do you sell? Instead of guessing, I used Copyfy to generate ad angles angles, write copy, test messaging ideas. And even here, I could use the AI chat to refine things further. So instead of let's try this and hope it works, it became let's test what already shows signs of working. And here's the real shift. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Most people throw ideas at the wall, hope something sticks, but that's not a strategy, that's a gambling. And if you're serious about building something, you can't rely on luck. That's just stupid. You need data, systems, direction, because that's what gives you an edge in business. And in order to be successful in business, you need an edge. That's just the honest truth. So now let's talk about the outcome, which is something that I think is important based on everything that's been discussed in this video. Did this magically create a £1 million business overnight? No, let's be realistic. But here's what did happen. In one afternoon, I had a validated product, a live store, and ad angles ready to test. No guessing, no going back and forth, just a system that moved faster than I ever could on my own. Without this, the same process would have taken me weeks, months easily. And most importantly, I wasn't guessing. I had a system guiding the process, and that alone changes everything because I'm making data-driven decisions, which is the most important thing in business, I believe. Now, let's be clear. This doesn't replace fundamentals. You still need a good offer, clear messaging, understanding of your audience. But what this does is stack the odds in your favor instead of starting from zero every time. You start with insight, and that's the difference between a random effort and strategic execution from my perspective. So if you're trying to start a business, testing ideas, running ads, but not scaling, then this approach is worth looking into. Not because it guarantees success, but because it removes the biggest risk in business, in my opinion, which is guessing. So if you want to check out Copyfy for yourself today, I'll left the link in the top part of the description as always. That gets you going with Copyfy straight away. And on top of that, you get a free trial, no credit card needed. The discount code is YOMA20. Try it out, test it, and see if it fits your workflow. And always, if you found this useful, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you on the next one, where we're of course going to be talking about more business, finance, and entrepreneurship. Take care now. Bye-bye.